Hello and welcome to Top Matters, where we are going to talk about cancer-causing foods. Did you know that what you eat can affect your risk of developing cancer? While there is no one specific food that causes cancer, research has shown that certain dietary habits can increase the risk. In this video, we'll explore some of the foods that increase risk of cancer, and we'll provide tips on how to reduce your risk and improve your overall health through diet. So, if you're interested in learning more about the link between food and cancer, stay tuned. Number 1. Processed meats. Processed meat is any meat that has been treated in some way to preserve or flavor it. Research has shown that eating processed meat is associated with an increased risk of colorectal cancer. In fact, the World Health Organization has classified processed meat as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning that there is strong evidence linking it to cancer. Examples include bacon, sausage, hot dogs, deli meats, and jerky. Number 2. Red meat. Red meat refers to any meat that comes from mammals, including beef, pork, lamb, and veal. There are a few theories as to why red meat may be linked to cancer. One is that the heme iron found in red meat can damage cells in the colon, leading to the development of cancer. Research shown that consuming large amounts of it may be linked to an increased risk of cancer, particularly colorectal, pancreatic, and prostate cancer. Number 3. Refined sugar. There is evidence to suggest that consuming large amounts of refined sugar may be linked to an increased risk of cancer. Several studies have shown that high sugar intake can contribute to the development of certain types of cancer, including breast, colorectal, and pancreatic cancer. One reason for this is that consuming too much sugar can lead to weight gain and obesity, which are known risk factors for cancer. In addition, high levels of insulin and insulin-like growth factor 1 in the body, which can result from consuming too much sugar, have been linked to an increased risk of certain types of cancer. Number 4. Microwave popcorn. Microwave popcorn is a convenient and popular snack that can be quickly prepared in the microwave. However, there are some health concerns associated with this snack, particularly regarding the chemicals used in the manufacturing process. There is some concern that microwave popcorn may be linked to an increased risk of cancer, particularly lung cancer. The concern arises from the chemicals used in the manufacturing process of microwave popcorn, specifically a chemical called diacetyl, which is used to create a buttery flavor. Number 5. Soda pop. Soda pop, also known as soft drinks, are popular carbonated beverages that come in a variety of flavors and are widely consumed around the world. While they can be refreshing and tasty, they also come with a range of health concerns, including a potential link to cancer. One of the primary concerns associated with soda pop is its high sugar content. Many sodas contain large amounts of added sugar, which can contribute to weight gain, obesity, and related health problems such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Consuming excessive amounts of sugar has also been linked to an increased risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast, colon, and pancreatic cancer. Number 6. Potato chips. Potato chips are a popular snack that can be found in many grocery stores and vending machines around the world. However, they are also a snack that comes with some potential health risks, including a potential link to cancer. One of the primary concerns associated with potato chips is their high levels of acrylamide, which is a chemical that forms when certain foods are cooked at high temperatures, such as during the frying process used to make potato chips. Acrylamide has been classified as a potential carcinogen. Consuming large amounts of acrylamide over a long period of time has been linked to an increased risk of certain types of cancer, including kidney, endometrial, and ovarian cancer. Number 7. Canned foods. Canned foods are a convenient and affordable option for many people, as they offer a longer shelf life than fresh foods and are often less expensive. One of the primary concerns associated with canned foods is their high levels of BPA, which is a chemical used in the lining of some cans to prevent the food from reacting with the metal. BPA has been shown to have estrogen-like properties, which means that it can disrupt the body's hormonal balance and potentially increase the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast and prostate cancer. So, it is better to avoid canned foods to reduce the risk of cancer-causing diseases. Number 8. French fries. French fries are a popular side dish that can be found in many fast food restaurants, diners, and homes around the world. Foods made from potatoes like potato chips are termed as probable human carcinogen. When foods are cooked at high temperature, a chemical called acrylamide is formed which produces certain carcinogen. So it is better to avoid consuming fried potatoes. Number 9. Alcohol. Alcohol is a widely consumed beverage around the world. Alcohol is classified as a carcinogen, meaning that it has the potential to cause cancer in humans. Drinking alcohol can increase the risk of developing several types of cancer, including breast, liver, esophageal, colorectal, and throat cancer. The risk of cancer increases with the amount of alcohol consumed, and even moderate alcohol consumption has been linked to an increased risk of cancer. It is believed that alcohol damages DNA and alters the way the body processes and metabolizes certain nutrients and chemicals. Number 10. White flour. White flour is a highly processed food that is commonly used in many baked goods, such as bread, cakes, and pastries. One of the primary concerns associated with white flour is its high glycemic index, which means that it causes a rapid spike in blood sugar levels when consumed. This can lead to insulin resistance and an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes, which is a risk factor for several types of cancer, including pancreatic, colon, and breast cancer. Consuming a diet high in refined carbohydrates, such as white flour, has been linked to an increased risk of several types of cancer, including colorectal cancer. Number 11. Farmed salmon. Farmed salmon is a popular seafood that is widely consumed around the world. One of the primary concerns associated with farmed salmon is its high levels of contaminants, such as PCBs and dioxins, which can accumulate in the fish, due to the use of pesticides and other chemicals in fish farming. These contaminants have been linked to an increased risk of cancer, as well as other health problems, such as developmental and reproductive issues. In addition to its high levels of contaminants, farmed salmon is also often treated with antibiotics and other chemicals to prevent disease and promote growth, which can lead to the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria and other health problems. Some healthier options include wild-caught salmon, which is lower in contaminants and higher in essential nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Number 12. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners are sugar substitutes that are commonly used in a variety of foods and beverages as a way to reduce calorie intake and manage blood sugar levels. One of the primary concerns associated with artificial sweeteners is their impact on the gut microbiome, which is the collection of bacteria and other microorganisms that live in the digestive tract. Studies have shown that consuming artificial sweeteners can alter the composition of the gut microbiome, which can lead to inflammation, insulin resistance, and an increased risk of several types of cancer, including colorectal cancer. International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, based on animal studies suggested that saccharin, which is commonly used in many diet sodas, was classified as a possible human carcinogen. Number 13. Dairy products. Dairy products, such as milk, cheese, and yogurt, are a common part of many people's diets. One of the primary concerns associated with dairy products is their high levels of saturated fat, which can contribute to the development of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer, such as breast and prostate cancer. In addition, some dairy products may contain added hormones and antibiotics, which can increase the risk of hormone-dependent cancers. While dairy products can be a good source of calcium and other essential nutrients, it's recommended that you limit your consumption and choose healthier alternatives whenever possible. Some healthier options include plant-based milks, such as almond, soy, and oat milk, which are lower in saturated fat and may have additional health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and improving gut health. Number 14. High-fat foods. High-fat foods can contribute to an increased risk of several types of cancer, as well as other health problems, such as heart disease and obesity. When it comes to fats, it's important to differentiate between different types of fats, as some are healthier than others. Saturated and trans fats, which are found in animal products, such as fatty cuts of meat, butter, cheese, and processed foods, have been linked to an increased risk of several types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. These types of fats can also raise cholesterol levels and contribute to heart disease and stroke. On the other hand, unsaturated fats, which are found in plant-based foods, such as nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil, are considered healthier and can actually have protective effects against cancer and other health problems. These were all the cancer-causing foods that you should avoid. By making small changes to our diets and lifestyles, we can take steps to protect our health and reduce our risk of developing cancer and other health problems. Thanks for watching. For more videos related to health and wellness, please subscribe to our channel.